We believe that an organization's most important asset is its people. That's why we are dedicated and committed to evolving search and talent management strategies for the Canadian workplace. It's about true connection between talent, your business, and your mission. With 2 decades of excellence in search and talent management, specializing in the commercial real estate and development industry. Through Talent Connectivity, a premier real estate internship program for developing and emerging talent where we are focused on building the future talent pipeline. Through the Matrix Platinum Advantage, a specialized system to identify, attract, advance, and connect talent to businesses and businesses to talent. Through Diversified Plus Executive Search, to leverage our commitment to diversity and equity as a fundamental business advantage. Diversified Plus goes above and beyond to source the best talent for your corporate leadership teams and board of directors. Build the future of your workplace today.